This ergonomic desk has electronic height adjustment, dual monitor clamp-on stand, under-desk CPU holder, and rolling casters with a lockable front set. The desktop is fitted with smooth edge molding, and the surface is laminated to give its users a premium comfortable feel. The adjustable desk is crafted with meticulous attention to detail regarding its functionality, durability, and aesthetics. The uplift desk achieves precise adjustment and smooth mobility to give optimum comfort to maximize user productivity in any work environment. For more details, click the link to the product page in the video description.